you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video, I want to show you a very simple home remedy, what you can take to relieve headache if you're having headache. All right, because a lot of people tend to take a lot of medications when it comes to headache. You take a lot of paracetamol. Paracetamol is good, but if you overdo the paracetamol, it is not good for our kidney. All right, it is not good for it. That means the long-term effect is not good for our kidney and our liver. So we have to be very cautious on how we self-medicate, especially with paracetamol, with paracetamol, Panadol. You know, we have to be very cautious. So today I'm going to show you what we will be taking. We'll be taking turmeric. This is a very simple home remedy that you can take to alleviate your headache. You're using only turmeric, just turmeric and warm water. Right? So this is warm water. Alright, so I'm not going to be doing it because I'm not going to be drinking. Alright, so you put in a glass, you put in warm water into a teacup like this, and then you take in your teaspoon, you put in 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and then you stir, and then whenever you're having headache, just do this home remedy and take it, guys. The effect is like you're going to feel relief in the next few minutes once you take this turmeric. All right, make sure that the water is warm. You don't want to use cold water. Make sure the water is warm, and you put just 1 teaspoon of this turmeric powder. If you have fresh turmeric, of course you can use fresh turmeric. Use about a small half, like it's not going to be a lot, right? Just a small you can either dice the turmeric, or you can grate it, or you can grind it, and then you put it in warm water and drink it. And you have to make sure that the turmeric you're using is organic turmeric. All right, so I hope that this video is helpful, and I hope that whenever you feel that headache, you know, don't always rush to take paracetamol or Panadol. If you have turmeric, I recommend you use turmeric instead, because turmeric is a spice and we can eat it. And of course, while you're taking it for headache, it's also doing a lot of things in your body. So why don't you go ahead and try this turmeric whenever you feel that you have headache. This is a very short home remedy, very quick video I want to share with you guys, because guys, I have been using turmeric for my headache, and my husband also has been using it for his headache, to relieve his headache. And that's why I decided to share with you guys. There is no information that is useless. There is no knowledge that is wasteful. So guys, consider sharing this video to help other people who are going through this incident of constant headache. And as you do so, God bless you. Give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video was helpful. Do not forget to drop your comments down below if you have any questions for me, and of course I will get back to your questions. For my new viewers, if this is your first time clicking on this video, on my video, or visiting my channel, hi, my name is Gilly. You're definitely welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video today. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. I'll see you guys on today, and I'll see you again in my next one. Do have a great day. Bye.